Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're excited to dive into the much-anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson V-ROD, a powerhouse that continues to push the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. The V-ROD, known for its performance-driven engineering and styling, is back with a fresh look and enhanced features. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 model offers for enthusiasts and riders alike. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-ROD strikes a bold, aggressive presence with redesigned bodywork and muscular lines. It keeps the iconic V-ROD silhouette but introduces sharper angles and a more streamlined look. The new V-ROD features a sleeker front-end design, including a redesigned headlamp and angular body panels that give it a futuristic, race-inspired edge. The expanded color options now include vibrant hues and unique two-tone finishes with metallic accents to highlight the V-ROD's sharp features. The power cruiser aesthetic is enhanced by forged aluminum wheels and a sculpted fuel tank, maintaining its muscle bike identity. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 V-ROD remains a beast of a machine. Powered by a high-performance 1,250 cubic centimeters Revolution Max V-twin engine, this bike delivers exceptional horsepower and torque, ideal for high-speed cruising and aggressive acceleration. The engine has been fine-tuned for a more responsive throttle and smoother ride. With around 130 horsepower, the V-ROD ensures blistering speeds with ease. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission and precision-calibrated suspension, this V-ROD offers unparalleled handling, ensuring an exceptional ride. Safety and technology. Harley-Davidson has taken the 2025 V-ROD's safety and technology to the next level, ensuring riders stay safe while experiencing the bike's thrilling performance. The V-ROD is equipped with advanced rider assist features, including multiple riding modes, electronic traction control, and an advanced ABS braking system for maximum stopping power. Adaptive LED headlamps provide improved nighttime visibility, while the updated TFT display allows riders to monitor key ride stats, navigation, and performance metrics. The adjustable suspension system ensures comfort whether you're tackling city streets or enjoying an open highway. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-ROD is the perfect blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. This updated version continues the legacy of high-performance cruising with enhancements in design and engineering. Whether you're an experienced rider or a newcomer to Harley Davidson, the 2025 V-ROD offers an unforgettable ride. With aggressive styling, blistering performance, and advanced features, the V-ROD remains a powerhouse on the road. Be sure to subscribe to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles.